Hello everyone, welcome to my channel EduSphere. In this video, I would like to discuss about parallel lines and transversal, which is one of the most important topic for your MTET exam point of view. So you can see here two questions I have taken. That first one is already they asked in 2021 MTET exam, and the second one they asked in 2023. Okay, then let's get the knowledge how to solve this kind of question. We should have some knowledge that is about a linear pair angle. Okay, so what is your linear pair angle? Two adjacent angles are said to form a linear pair angles. Okay, so two adjacent angles. So I have taken here two adjacent angle. Suppose this is your angle 1, okay, and it is your angle 2. So these two are what? Adjacent angle. Okay, if their non-common arms are two opposite rays. Okay, so non-common arms means which one? So if you see here OC is common for both the angle 1 and 2. So non-common is which one? OA and OB. And you see they are opposite rays. It is moving your left side and it is moving your right side. So you can see both are opposite. If your non-common arms are the opposite rays, then you can say these angles are what? Linear pair angle. Now, important concept is that you have to remember it is your what? Sum of the angles of linear pair is how much? 180. It means if you add your angle 1 and plus angle 2, you will get how much? You will get 180 degree. You have to remember that point. Okay, the sum of the angle of a linear pair is how much? It is your 180. Very important concept you have to remember. Okay, then you have to know about what? Parallel lines and transversal. So what is your parallel line? Two lines are said to be parallel to each other. So let's draw two lines. So this is your one line and this is your another line. So these two lines will say parallel to each other. Okay, if they lie in the same plane and also do not intersect when produced. So what is the meaning of produced here? It means increase. If you increase on the either side, okay, if you increase them, they will never intersect. Okay, they will never intersect like this. So if they will never intersect, then these two lines are called what? Parallel lines. Okay, now what is your transversal? Transversal, it is a straight line. Okay, a straight line is said to be a transversal if it cut two or more lines at a distinct point. Okay, so if I draw two or more line here, okay, you can draw two, you can draw three also, you can draw four also, means two or more. Okay, then now if I draw a straight line here, you see they are intersecting three distinct point. Okay, if they are intersecting at the distinct point, then this straight line is called what? Transversal. This is your what? It is your transversal line. Okay, now from the transversal, now important point. Okay, very important point. You have to listen carefully if you want to get full marks from this kind of question. Okay, so here I have drawn two parallel line AB and CD. They are parallel to each other. I hope you know what is your parallel line. Already I discussed. Okay, now it is your transversal. Okay, it is your transversal. So here I give a name. These are angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 8 angle you got here. Okay, now there you have to know that which angle are your what? Corresponding angle, which angle is your alternate interior angle, and which angle is your what? Consecutive interior angle. That 3 point is very important. Okay, important concept. So here you have to know, if you see here angle 1, okay, and angle 5, they are at the same position. If you see, they are at the same position because AB is a straight line, and here on the right side here 1, and here also CD is a straight line at the right side at the same position 5. So they are called what? Corresponding angle. It means angle 1 and angle 5 is your corresponding angle. I have written here angle 1 and angle 5 is your corresponding angle. Similarly, angle 4 and angle 8 is your corresponding angle. Angle 4 and angle 8 is your corresponding angle. Then angle 2 and angle 6 is your corresponding angle. And lastly, angle 3 and angle 7 is also a corresponding angle. Now, important point you have to remember is what? That corresponding angles are equal. Okay, it means if your angle 1 is your suppose 75 degree, it means your angle 5 also is how much? 75 degree. because what, they are the corresponding angle, and corresponding angle are always equal. Okay, then suppose angle 4, if angle 4 is your 80 degree, it means you can say your angle 8 also 80 degree. Okay, then angle 2 and angle 6 also same, okay, equal. Understand? Okay, so you have to remember the diagram. You look here again, here angle 1, angle 5 is your corresponding angle, angle 4, angle 8 is your corresponding angle, angle 2, angle 6 is your corresponding angle, angle 3 and angle 7 is your corresponding angle. So you have to remember this, the which one are the corresponding angle. Okay, so you have to remember that one. Next is your alternate interior angle, pairs of alternate interior angle. So here again is your angle 3 and angle 5. They are what, alternate, they are alternate. You can see they are what, alternate interior angle. Then angle 6 and angle 4, they are also what, alternate interior angle. Then again important concept is that alternate interior angles are what, they are equal. Okay, the pairs of alternate interior angles are what, they are equal. So it means your angle 3 and angle 5 is equal, and angle 4, angle 6 is equal. Okay, if your angle 3 is 75, angle 5 also 75, angle 4 80, angle 6 also 80. You have to remember that point. Last concept is what, it is your pairs of consecutive interior angle. Okay, so consecutive angle is which one, your angle 4 and angle 5, angle 4 and angle 5, they are what, there is your consecutive interior angle. Then angle 3, angle 6, these two are your what, consecutive interior angle. Then here you have to remember the important concept is what, that sum of the pairs of consecutive interior angles are what, 180 degree. Okay, it means if you add angle 4 plus angle 5, you will get how much, 180 degree you will get. So this three concept is very important, and you have to know which one is your corresponding angle, which one is your what, alternate interior angle, and which is your consecutive interior angle. Got it? So again I am telling, here is your 1 and angle 5, angle 1, angle 5 is your what, they are the corresponding angle, angle 4, angle 8 is your corresponding angle, and angle 2, angle 6 is your corresponding angle, angle 3, angle 7 is your corresponding angle, and corresponding angles are equal. Then 3 and 5, they are what, alternate interior angle, 6 and 4 also they are what, alternate interior angle, so they are also equal. Okay, then 4 and 5 is your what, they are your consecutive interior angle, and also 3 and 6 also is your consecutive what, interior angle, and their sum is 180. Okay, I hope this concept is clear. Now let's solve the question. Okay, now if you look into this question, okay, this question they asked already in the previous year 2021 and 2023. If you see here, they told you here that AB and CD are the parallel lines and EF is your what, transversal. Then you have to find the value of X. Okay, so to solve this kind of question, just now I have given you knowledge about corresponding angle, alternate interior angle, and consecutive interior angle. So these three concepts will be required. Okay, so now this angle, okay, it is how much, 3x plus 13. This angle is equal to which angle? This angle and this angle. Okay, this one, they are what, they are the corresponding angle. And what I told you, that corresponding angle are equal. It means if this one is your 3x plus 13, it is also how much, it is also your 3x plus 13. Why? Because they are the corresponding angle, and you know that corresponding angles are equal. And again I have given you one more concept about what, linear pair angle. So these two are now what, they are the linear pair angle, because EF is a straight line. If you think, they are the what, linear pair angle. And what I told you, that the sum of linear pair angle is how much, it is 180. Okay, so apply this concept here, you will get the answer. So sum means you have to add it. So how much, 3x plus how much, 13, then plus which one now, 5x plus how much, 7. If you add, you get how much, you will get 180 degree. Okay, then now add them, 5x and 3x, how much, it is your 8x. Okay, then plus if you add 13 and 7, how much, it is your 20 degree, is equal to how much, 180. Now 8x is equal to, if you change the side, it is a 180, then minus how much, 20. So your sign will change, so your plus will become minus if you change the side. Okay, so you have to change the sign as well. So 8x is equal to how much, you will get 180 minus 20, how much, 100. 60 degree. Okay, now if you divide 8 and 160, so 16 will get how many times? 2 times, then you put 0. So x equal to how much is your answer? 20. So if you see here option A, B, C, D, your option C is the correct option. So it means your answer is what? Your 20 degree. X value is 20 degree. The values of x how much? 20 degree. Got it? Again let's see this question so your concept will be clear. Again is your what? AB and CD, they are the parallel line, and your this one is a transversal. Okay, and they have given x value how much? 100 degree. So this value, this angle is how much? It is your 100 degree. And just now I told you, if you check here, the corresponding angle is which one? This is your the corresponding angle. So it means if it is your 100 degree, this one is also is how much? 100 degree. Then your you can say see here that this 100 and z, the angle, they are what? They are the linear pair angle. Or you can say your 100 and y, they are what? Linear pair angle. And linear pair angle, their sum is how much? As you know, it is your 180. Okay, so add it. It is your how much? If you add 100, okay, plus which one? Y is equal to how much you will get? You will get 180 degree, because sum of the angles of linear pair is equal to how much? You will get 180 degree. Okay, then y is equal to, it is your 180 degree, then minus how much? It is your 100 degree, because if you change your side, you have to change the sign as well. So y is equal to how much you will get? You will get 80 degree. Okay, so you got your y value. So now don't tick A option. Why? You have to read the question. They haven't asked you the y value. What they ask here? They ask you y plus z value. It means y how much we got? We got 80 degree. Now we need z. Then only we will add it, and that one will be our final answer. So now again, one thing you have to know, that if your y is how much? 80 degree, then z angle is how much? So here I'll give you again one more concept. They are called what? Vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle means what? If you this is suppose you have two lines, okay, two straight line. So if they intersect, you will see here they make 4 angles here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 angles you will get here. So this one and this one, they are called what? Vertically opposite angle. They are called what? Vertically opposite angle. And you have to remember that vertically opposite angles are also equal. It means if it is your 80 degree, this is z will be how much? Z also 80 degree. Now if you see y is 80 degree and z also is your 80 degree. Okay, z also how much? 80 degree. Then if you add y plus z is equal to 80 plus 80 is equal to how much you will get? You will get 160 degree. So your option which one? Option C is your correct answer. So if you like this video, please do subscribe and share with your friend. Okay, I will come again with a new video that will be helpful for your again exam point of view. Okay, so please do subscribe and share with your friend. Thank you.